I'm Scott. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing and finished product of my second KiwiCo Tinker Crate. So time to unbox it. Here's the instructions. This one is a walking robot. And here's the Tinker zine. And here's all the parts. There's some gears and a battery compartment, and I'm not really sure what this yellow thing is. These are some screws, and I think the orange things are like the screws go in them. And these are like pieces, and these are parts, and battery use instruction. Now I'm gonna build it, and when I'm done building it, I'll show you the finished product. Here are some pictures I took of the instructions. I finished the build, and here's the robot. I've already tested it a few times, and it works great. The legs bump up against each other while the robot walks. But if you switch the wires around, if you switch it to red to black and black to red, the robot will walk backwards. It only takes a minute to do it. Well, not even a minute. You just have to have the wires like that. They don't have to be on top of each other. Just red to black and black to red. Then you just turn it on, and the robot will walk back. Then just switch the wires back to red and black to black to make the robot walk forward again. Overall, I think the robot was fun to build, but it's not as good as other robots. It's fun to build, but it's like once you have it built, it's not that much fun to play. You don't play with it a lot, and the legs brush up against each other, and it makes a weird noise. Oops, this red wire must have popped off, and the wires keep popping away from each other. The robot looks really neat, but it doesn't move very fast. I didn't think when I looked at the box, I didn't think it was going to move very fast, but it moves slower than I thought it would move. So I guess that's it for my second KiwiCo Tinker Crate build. Make sure to check out my other KiwiCo Tinker Crate video. See you next time. Bye.